Here's the Wuben G5 that I sent from Banggood. So Wuben don't want to send me any stuff, unfortunately, because I'm on their blacklist, their do not send list, because they don't like my honesty, which is a bit unfortunate. They don't care about honest reviews, they just want sales. So yeah, I've made a few comments about their other lights that have resulted in no sales, and so that's why I have to get this off stores, Wuben products. So oh well, it's just what it is sometimes. So I do really like this light. I think it's very, very good. Just really unique, something entirely different. So yeah, I'll just go over the light, a couple of negatives, and yeah, I've got the footage. So yeah, you've got the swivel head, so you can angle it, and then you've got this magnetic base here. This is a bit weak. I might as well just go over the negatives as I talk through it. So the magnetic base is one negative. It's quite weak. If it's on a rough metallic surface, it will stay in place horizontally. But if it is smooth, it does want to sort of slip around. So that does need to be improved. Don't think they will though. And see, you've got this clip that pops out. And the slider switch here, so you've got lockout, and then slide it a little bit, and then that unlocks, and then the full way gets a USB-C charging. You got, I'll leave it unlocked. For the, you got the switch here, then you've got this dial on the side for the brightness and to change the RGB modes. And yeah, main beam, TIR optic. And then you've got your RGB beside it. Yeah, so we'll just go over the operation of it. So it's hold from off, gets you like battery check, solid blue, it's like 90 to 100, and then flashing blue, red solid, and then flashing red, and then one press turns it on. So we're on RGB modes at the moment, and you just rotate the dial, goes through all the different colors. So red I find is enough for walking with, so that's good. Hold changes to the white, and then the dial increases and decreases the brightness, and then double press of the switch gets straight to turbo, and then double press again drops you back to your previous brightness. And then double press from off gets you like flashing levels. So that's a red and a green, double press, red and a blue, double press again, red and a green. So yeah, pretty decent overall. The only other negative for it for me was that it steps down before the 30-second mark for the turbo, so it doesn't actually meet the ANSI rating on this of I think it's 400 lumens, and you've got the built-in battery, which is something that's not that you can't avoid for a light like this. But overall, very pleased with it. It's just a fun little light to have, just something entirely different.